So for your straight leg, single leg progression, you're gonna extend that leg out on that 45-degree angle, reach through your heel. You're gonna exhale, press your pelvis up with your left leg, lengthening long throughout, being sure that your hip isn't dipping down or lowering, and then slowly bring it back down. So you're gonna exhale as you lift, inhale to lower back down with control. Side plank with our leg lift. So you're gonna start with your knees stacked. You're gonna press up here and extend one leg long. So I have my one nice long line here and my shoulder is directly over my elbow, making sure that this is not put out kind of on an angle like a kickstand. That's not gonna be helpful for your shoulder. You wanna be right down in one long line. From here, you're gonna exhale as you lift that top leg to challenge our lower half, as well as to activate that glute on the top side, and then slowly lower down. Be thoughtful that as you lift, the rest of your body stays in that same position that it was when you started, so there's no rotating or twisting in the process. Single leg version of this, you're gonna take one leg, extend out long. This leg here is going to just help with balance. Our working leg is going to be the bent leg. You're gonna inhale here, exhale, hip hinge forward, drive through your right heel as you exhale to stand tall. Inhale at the top, exhale, hip hinge, lead with your booty to accept that chair behind you. So kettlebell alternating swing combines a little bit more of a dynamic movement with your lunge. So as you lower, you're gonna switch that weight into the opposite hand, making sure that your torso stays vertical and that your body doesn't sway side to side, having to counterbalance the weight that's being transferred to each arm. So squat to overhead press. You're gonna sit back into your squat. Exhale as you stand tall, bicep curl to overhead press. Lower back down, lower the arms to your side, lower into your squat. Exhale to perform one fluid movement all the way throughout.